Hi, I'm a Twitter YouTube channel, and this video we will learn how we host on hosting, how we install WordPress. So let's we start. We search here. This is a web host login. Login is the web host. Click here's website list displaying. So I have already created a website name is MA Tutor. Status running. Manage website. When I click here, manage website. You all see that here when you scroll down in website builder and install WordPress. So I click on install WordPress. Here is our WordPress username and our WordPress password. So let's install nothing. Yes, installing WordPress on user web hosting. Taking some time, finally install it. Now creating a database. Now it is finalizing WordPress for my site on user web hosting. Yes, software is now ready for configuration. So I go to configuration page, click. Yes, enter your password, uh, login. No, something wrong. Try again. Now also, let's see what is the problem. Now with valid username or password, I have login. So you see that here is a WordPress start install dashboard. Now you all see that here's the tools of WordPress, parent setting, plugin setting, pages and media tools are also available. So that is the video about install a WordPress on hosting. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like that video, then like this video always. So I want to request all please subscribe my channel.